How to factory reset and clear the Bluetooth pairing history off of your Tazata Fun300 wireless Bluetooth speaker in case it is not working and you've tried a hardware reset, it's not pairing to Bluetooth, or sometimes it can be stuck paired to the wrong thing, or if you just want to get a fresh start, delete all the pairing history, wipe all the default settings on it and everything like that. It's really very easy to do. All we need to do is come in and find the power button, and the power button we're just going to press and hold it for 5 seconds, and that should restart the entire device. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, go. There it goes. And yeah, just keep holding it until it actually comes back on. Because if after 3 seconds it turns it off, so you just want to keep holding until it actually turns back on. So if you'd like to see how to set this up and get it paired and everything like that, you can just click this video right here. It'll show you how to do it, and I'll put a link to that speaker below if you're interested.